Welcome everyone back to Mr. Darragh Weather Updates, and today's video, looking at the radar, you can see there is a band of heavy rain which has been pushed onto the Atlantic, and that's going to move in towards the east, giving some potentially heavy rain in some areas, and the temperatures are slightly mild for the year, but not too bad, just around 8 to 10 degrees. Now we have two amber warnings that have been just put on for wind, okay? So we have two amber warnings, like I said. There is one just in the stretching across the west here, and in Northern Ireland, and that's for wind. So I'm going to go on to the amber warnings. Obviously they're a little bit more serious, so let's have a look at them. Now, you can see here, this amber warning is covering most of western areas of England. So Wales, Lancashire, bits of the Lake District there, and bits of South Lancashire. This is potentially damaging winds associated with storm darragh. Darragh, is that how I say it? And that is going to be from 3 AM on Saturday to 9 PM on Saturday. So, there is a good chance that power cuts may occur, may be affecting other services such as mobile phone coverage, probably some damage to buildings, tile blown off roofs, longer journey times and cancellations likely, as road, rail and ferry services may be affected. Flying debris may be likely, could lead to injuries and danger to life, and some bridges and roads may close with falling trees possible. Injuries to danger to life will be from large waves, and if you're near the coast, most of this area is near the coast anyway, of beach material being thrown onto coastal roads, seafronts and properties. So, some very strong, very strong northerly or northwesterly winds likely to develop to Saturday as storm darragh moves in, with gusts up to 70 to 80 mph winds on exposed areas. So, some very large waves are possible. So mostly 60 to 70 mph wind gusts. The strongest winds should ease from the west as well. There is an extended yellow warning as well affected onto Sunday. And you can see why it's a amber warning. It has a medium likelihood and a medium impact, meaning it's likely and has an impact. So that's why we do want to take these a little bit more serious, let's say. And literally, this is the one for Ireland as well. Literally the same reasons and the same information as well. So, is it? Yeah, they're literally the same, these amber warnings. So you can see here, Wales, they're literally the same, really. We have a few new weather warnings as well to just have a look at. We've still got that extended yellow weather warning for wind as well. We can see here again, slight chance of everything we just said on the amber warning. Again, falling trees, injuries to dangerous life. You can see here 40 to 50 mph winds with the 70 mph in the amber zone, with a lower likelihood and a medium impact. And we still have that, it has been extended a little bit as well. We have another weather warning in Ireland. Again, strong winds leading to some destruction from darragh. Slight chance of damage, of course. Falling trees, power cuts, injuries to dangers of life from debris, and cancellations are possible as well. And this is firstly going to hit Ireland. 40 to 50 mph winds, just like ours. 60 mph to 60, 70, maybe even 80, where that amber warning is. So this actually has both warnings and has a. Oh, you can actually hear the rain. It's really bad outside at the moment. There's a lot of warnings to cover on. We can also have a few rain warnings. Heavy rain associated with storm darragh could lead to flooding and destruction. Slight chance of power cuts. Systems could be flooded. Delays and cancellations, spray and flooding, and standing water. So 20 to 30 millimeters are possible in this area. Maybe even seeing 50 to 60 millimeters. It has a low likelihood, a very low likelihood, in fact, and a medium impact. And literally just exact say, well, oh, actually no, this is rain associated with storm darragh. This time it's near Scotland. Spray and flooding, bus and train services are possible to be delayed, disrupting the power supplies. You can see here, this is very a lot 300 to 400 millimeters above high ground, but just mostly 20 to 30 millimeters, as such as 50 to 60 millimeters on high ground in the south and southwest. This has a medium likelihood and a low impact. Now, really quickly, we'll have a look at the UKV just to see how bad the winds are going to get. We can see here that front of heavy rain. It is very heavy at the moment, actually. You can maybe be able to hear it. It won't be too bad on Friday, actually. Clear spells with a few clouds moving in on the evening, and then Storm darragh. And sorry, we have another front of rain. I don't know if this is from Storm darragh. I think it's going to mainly on Saturday, but another front of rain with lots of snow in Scotland. But then on to Saturday, we've got some scattered showers around, but mostly it's the winds that we need to take care of. A little bit better on Sunday with a few clouds and showers, and then cloudy in some areas, a bit more clear. In terms of temperatures, about 13 to 14 degrees in the south. A bit mild for this year, so a bit above average, but then it's back to colder, more average-ish, 7 to 8 Celsius, so mid to high single digits. And then mid to low single digits are possible over the next few days as we get into more average temperatures of 7 degrees in some areas. We can see here, though, onto the night of Monday, we could see quite low temperatures in Scotland. We could even get to -5, -7, -8, maybe even -10. I think it's a little bit overdoing it a little bit with the temperatures in the north there, but mostly average really. If not, if you go more north, it will be a lot colder. So it does look like it's going to get colder from now on. Now we're looking at the wind gusts. Not too bad today, but it may pick up into later. We could see 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts today. But you can see Storm darragh right there is literally getting ready to batter us, really. So you can see here, I'll say 80-mile wind gusts are possible, actually, in extended regions of Wales and maybe even bits of Cornwall. You can see here 77, 78, 80 possible, but mostly 50 to 40, 60 maybe mile-per-hour winds most areas, with it clearing on Sunday and then turning a lot more fresher. Now, looking at the GFS, we'll be able to see what Storm darragh will look like into this. It doesn't look too, doesn't look that bad in the radar view, but it is a little bit more serious. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.